Let's be honest, most CEOs already know they should be working on their business, not just in it. But with everything on your plate, when does that actually happen?
Right? The treadmill doesn't stop unless you press pause on purpose. That's exactly what this workshop helps you do. Think differently, align internally, and scale strategically. It's designed to help you hit reset and reframe how you lead.
Yes. In the Think Differently sessions, we give you the space and structure to see your business with fresh eyes. We challenge default thinking, interrupt stale patterns, and help you get clear on what's working and what's not working.
Isn't that the truth? It's not about theory, it's about traction. We use real-time hot seats, peer discussions, and proven frameworks to shift you from reacting to leading.
Nice. So this is your permission slip to slow down, rethink your strategy, get crystal clear on your brand value position, and move forward with sharper focus and intention.
If you are ready to stop spinning your wheels and start scaling smart, let's do the work together.
We've got the proven toolkit. You bring the vision and your indispensable +1.
I'm Mark Biddle with Connection Mark.
And I'm Suzanne Tulene with Brand Ascension.